Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
This short guide shows how to password lock your YouTube account quickly. Start by securing the underlying Google account that controls your YouTube access. Choose a strong password at least 12 characters long with letters, numbers, and symbols. Store that password in a password manager and never reuse it across sites. Enable two-step verification to add a second device or security key requirement. Remove account access from shared devices and sign out of unknown sessions regularly. We will show settings, 2FA, and lock options step by step next. Open your Google account settings on desktop or mobile to change your password. Go to Security, then Password to update or create a stronger password now. Use at least 12 characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols for complexity. Avoid dictionary words, names, or repeated sequences like 12,345 or QWERTY. Generate and save long passwords using a manager. This prevents forgetting them. If you share devices, enable screen lock and remove saved passwords from browsers. Next, we enable two-step verification and recovery options to secure logins. Two-step verification stops attackers even if they know your password. Open Google Security and set up Authenticator, SMS, or a physical security key. Authenticator apps generate 6-digit codes that change every 30 seconds for login. Prefer a physical security key for strongest protection when you log in from new devices. Add recovery email and phone, and record backup codes in a safe place offline. Finally, test sign in on a second device, and remove old device access to lock account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.